So a while ago, I was using the MyFitnessPal app for quite a while and very consistently, like really consistently, and I loved it. It helped so much with tracking everything. Not so much to like track calories, but kind of just to like know how much I'm eating in a day and to decide if having like an apple is better than having like a cup of strawberries and stuff like that. So it was really nice guide. So last night I was working out and I kind of just had this moment where I was like, okay, my eating is not bad, but it's not how it used to be. And I just want to get back to eating how I used to. So I downloaded the MyFitnessPal app and I'm going to go to a grocery store today and I'm going to show you my grocery haul. I'm going to work out later and I feel like this is just a nice like reset. I'm not mad at my body, like my workouts are going okay. I'm trying to work out every other day, but I just want to get back to kind of how I was before. Now the thing is I actually don't have a scale and I'm kind of interested in knowing like how much I weigh, but I also don't really want to know at the same time because I don't really care about a number. Like everything is fitting me. I'm a little bit more curvier than I was before, but I'm okay with that. I don't mind that. And I am back from the grocery store. Little tip, remember to wash your bags after when you bring them home from the grocery store. I have a little designated basket for like dirty things, so those will be washed. Do you want to show them all the food I have? Okay. We'll put this away because I don't need cleaner. So, I am back from the grocery store and I got quite a bit of stuff. I spent $148 at the grocery store and $19 at the LCBO liquor store, and I'll show you everything that I got. And I'm pretty excited because like I said, I'm trying to like get back to eating better. That's the outside one. So let's see everything that I picked up today at the grocery store. I even have, well, disregard these, but we've got like meals going here. So we had to get paper towel and toilet paper because somehow we fly through toilet paper. A ton of meat. So we've got ground turkey, we've got steaks, chicken, and then some chicken fingers, rice because I love rice, carrots. I have found that no-name frozen veggies are so much better than name brand. These are really good. So frozen carrots, I got some croutons, nothing too exciting there, and then some lettuce. Okay, funny story, I would buy like romaine lettuce and every time I would cut it, at the bottom there would be bugs. So I have went to this, or I will buy romaine lettuce when it's like really inexpensive just in case there's bugs in the bottom. But I have just been going for this. This is like $2, so that's okay. 1 brick of lactose-free cheese. Here's the thing. Cheese for us, we can eat a lot, so 1 brick. That's all we need until I go grocery shopping next is 1 brick because we can eat cheese like we fly through cheese. And this stuff is not cheap. It's not cheap. It's like $6. These are walnut halves because, let's go through here. I got some quick oats to make granola, so I'm hoping that these will go with it. We'll see if it turns out. Grapes, because I like fruit. Mandarins or clementines. A bag of apples. Lactose-free yogurt. What else did I get? Lunch meat turkey, because Owen eats that a lot. Oh, milk. Lactose-free milk. I've got cream of chicken soup, because if we ever have pasta, those make good sauces, or a sauce for like chicken if we feel like it. And I got cheddar cheese, not lactose-free, but I mean, that's okay. I also got this, it's new, it's the Hellmann's Classic Caesar. I like the Lighthouse Caesar dressing, but I forgot to pick it up, so I grabbed this one, so I'll see how it is. I'm not sure. I'm kind of picky when it comes to Caesar dressings. We got a compliments like Zaz. It's like a water flavor thing because Owen likes these, so I got him this one. It was the cheapest one, so that's what he's getting. What is next? Oh, I got myself orange juice because I remember when I was tracking on my MyFitnessPal before, orange juice was like something that was pretty good for me to have. So I got orange juice instead of always having like the flavored water. So I got that. Yeast, we had no yeast, and sometimes I like to make like biscuits in that. What else? Oh yeah, so Owen every day has his cold brew. I like it too, but coffee just doesn't agree with me, and I just feel like if we have the cold brew from Starbucks like that you buy at the grocery store, this is so much cheaper than if you were to just go to Starbucks. This is $6, so go get this. This Yeti, I don't know how big this is, but Owen can fill this how many times? 4 times? 5 times? I think he can get a week's worth of coffees out of this. But anyway, you do get quite a few out of here. Say excuse me, I hope they didn't hear that. So the little like snacky things that I got, these are samosas, I believe that's how you pronounce them. So good, really like those. I got 3 bags of popcorn because I want a bag tonight, and it was cheaper to get this than it was to get a big bag of popcorn, so I got myself some popcorn. These are really, really good. So these are called Made Good, and they are the chocolate chip crispy squares. They're good. They remind me of like a Rice Krispie, but they're so much healthier, and they're like a dark chocolate. And these are probably broken now. So these, where does it say? Right here. So these here, peanut free, dairy free, wheat and gluten free, sesame free, tree nut free, egg free, soy free, and fish free. They're really, really good. So I got these, they were on sale. I may try some other like protein bites or something later on, but I thought I'd show you that. What else? Oh, might as well just show you this. So we don't normally drink, and the only reason why I went to pick, actually, when was the last time we had something? I think it was like 3 months ago. I went and picked these up. I just kind of felt like it. This is the Boone's Sangria. Love it, $7. And then I got this. I don't know if it's gonna taste good. I've got absolutely no idea, and I'm not very adventurous when it comes to alcohol, so this should be interesting. This is the Yellowtail Sangria, red wine infused with fruit flavors. This was $11, so I'm hoping that's gonna be good. I got a aloe vera moisturizing hand soap. That was on sale. Then I got the Ocean hand soap. Here's why. Because I think what's gonna happen is lockdown's gonna happen again. I really don't want it to, but I think it's going to happen again. So now when I go to the grocery store, I try and not stock up. That's not what I'm trying to do. But I'm trying to make sure I have a little bit of a backup of things, like just 1 or 2. So an extra hand soap, an extra hand sanitizer, an extra bottle of cleaner. If for whatever reason stuff gets bad again, at least this way I have like a bottle to last me until I can find something. So I started with these. They were on sale for like $1.50. So it's always good to have extra hand soap. So I got 2 of those. So that is everything, all of my groceries. So it was $140, $50, $60, $160, and I feel like I got quite a bit, and it's probably gonna last me a long time. I can see it lasting until Friday, and then I'll probably have to go out on Saturday. So I'm going to put all this away now, and then probably eat, and work out maybe later. So we'll see. So it's dinner time. As you guys probably seen, I have a cup with water here. I don't know what it is, but I will drink a lot more water if it's got a straw. I've got a salad and some steak. I don't know how the dressing is going to be, but I guess we will find out. I don't know. I'm picky when it comes to dressing. It's just okay. It's not as creamy. That's why I like the Caesar Little House or something, the Little House, or there's one that's really good, and I'll put a picture of it on the screen, but I just find that some are just too, I don't know, but this one's not my favorite, but that's okay. going to wrap up today's vlog. I'm so happy I filmed it. I really like to film vlogs and I really wanted to post a fitness and motivation video. So I really hope that this maybe motivated you to start working out again, maybe change your workouts, because always weightlifting, always doing yoga, always doing Zumba, always doing the same thing can get tiring after time and time. So why not switch it up? It's okay to switch it up. I filmed this last Sunday. It is now Thursday, the day before this is going up, and I have been using MyFitnessPal. It has been great. My allergies are still here, but I mean, we can't do much about that. So if you're looking to start getting back into healthy eating and maybe feeling a little bit better and you're kind of lost with your eating, definitely try out the MyFitnessPal app. It's really, really good. So I find that MyFitnessPal really helps me to be a little bit more accountable for what I eat. It really just shows me what I'm lacking in my diet, if I'm lacking iron, if I'm lacking protein, if I'm lacking different vitamins. So I really like that factor about it, and you can keep track of how much water you drink. It's just really, really good. So I would highly recommend it. I used it before. It worked amazing. I also find that if I want to eat, let's say 2 cookies, like I did, 2 Smile cookies, or if I want to have a donut, or if I want to have a piece of pizza, if I want to have something that's maybe not the healthiest, I have to be okay with logging it, because if I don't want to log it, then maybe I shouldn't eat it, is kind of how I see it. And there's nothing wrong with having treats, and this app has really showed me that, because sometimes you can be left with like 500 calories, and you know what? At the end of the night, if you want to eat those 500 calories, you totally can, and that's all good. And I really found that this app has really helped me figure out what is better in terms of food, like maybe the different types of bread, what type of yogurts are better, maybe what type of cheese is better, things like that. So definitely try the MyFitnessPal app. It has helped me a lot, and I personally find that even just after a few days of using it, I feel so much better personally, and I feel like the food that I'm eating is a lot better than what I was eating before, even though I do eat pretty well. The only things that I've had that are bad this week was 4 Smile cookies. And if you're not from Canada, that's 4 Tim Hortons cookies with smiley face on them. And that's it. And I feel like that's pretty good. I feel like that's not bad. That is good. So I really hope that this video maybe motivated you to start working out again, or to switch up your workouts, maybe to download the app, or maybe it was just enjoyable for you to watch. Let me know in the comments down below how you stay motivated. Make sure to give this a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. I have an activewear review video coming on Monday, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.